Hey, I'm Tommy Keeter with Christian Brothers Automotive at 81st and Mingo, and I want to give you 4 reasons to choose us. The first is our industry-leading warranty program. All of our repairs come with a 2-year, 24,000-mile warranty, whichever comes last, not whichever comes first. We're going to make sure we do what benefits you the most. So when you choose to use Christian Brothers Automotive, we're going to use a high-quality parts, we have skilled labor, and we're going to make sure that that warranty covers you from a nationwide basis. The second reason to choose our location is the rewards program that we have. For every dollar that you spend with us, we're going to make sure that you receive rewards, and those are going to be intact for your next purchase that you make with us. We want to thank you for your loyalty, and we want to show our appreciation to you by rewarding you for your purchases. The third reason is because we provide a concierge level service. We want to make sure you're well taken care of. We're going to run you to and from work. We've even been known to go out and pick up a vehicle and deliver it. We want you focused on your family or on your job. We don't want you to have to sit around and worry about vehicle repair. That's our job. The fourth reason to choose Christian Brothers Automotive is because we give. Because of the loyalty and dedication of our customers, we're able to give vehicles away, help those in need. We're also able to provide a 10% up to $100 discount to our teachers, first responders, active and retired military, and our clergy. So next time you need to choose someone for vehicle repair, we'd love for you to choose Christian Brothers Automotive at 81st and Mingo.